Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share something really awesome. These are my 3D software pipeline tutorials collections. First, you may just go to my video descriptions and explore my site, thefreedom3d.art. This is my new website that I already embedded all of my valuable tutorials with full categories. For example, you may just move your mouse cursor to 3D tutorial by software. For example, if you want to have the Unreal Engine tutorials, it is here, the tutorial Unreal Engine. Then once click into that, it is going to load into all of my tutorials, something that related to Unreal Engines. It will be here with a few pages if it is available. And then with all of these categories, you may know what type of the skill that you are going to learn. For example, this tutorial is about the material creating, export the FBX with materials. And what about this? This is about the rendering with the mirrors. And for example, this is something that related to the Vroid Studio to Unreal Engine 5. This is a type of the tutorial that what we call the pipeline life hack tutorials. And you may move your mouse cursor to tutorial by skill. Just have a check the skills pipeline life hack. The pipeline life hack tutorials are something really awesome for all of you because for as a game developer, you need to use quite a lot of the different 3D software that you need to transfer it from one software to another software as the pipeline. For example, the Google Map 3D to Blender, as for example, the Unreal Engine to FBX, the face generator to DAZ Studio, like the Google Map 3D to FBX, etc. There are 3 pages here. All of these are the pipeline tutorials that I had shared. Just for example, the AutoCAD, Autodesk AutoCAD to Blender, and also the DAZ Studio to Character Creator 4, the CC4, the Vroid Studio to Unreal Engine, etc. Besides that, you can move your mouse cursor to the 3D tutorial by software. Let's say the Blender is one of the really famous, and it is a free 3D modeling software. Then you can check this out, the Blender 3D animation pipeline full tutorials. All of the tutorials that related to Blender, it will be here. And finally, you can just check the 3D software by utilities, by name, what type of the software are related to the 3D modeling. For example, the 3D modeling, utility 3D modeling. Then you can get all of this software from here. Of course, it is going to link you to the official sites. And you can download some of the 3D models from my website as well. Let's say by file type, if you want the character creator and iClone avatar, it will be here. It is really easy for you. I already categorize all of my resources. And just now, the 3D models, find the file type. If you want the iAvatar and CC avatar, then anything created by me or by other people. For example, this is the Reallusion's official sites, the Reallusion content store. It is going to link you to there. And these 3 avatars are created by me previously. You can go and download it. Just click into that. Then you can find the download link from here. This is the 3D avatar that created by me. And of course, you can just find the 3D models just by software. For example, the CC3 contents or the iClone contents already categorized properly for you if you want to find it really accurate. All of these 3D models are the iClone contents. Alright, this is something breakthrough for me and also for you, for your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game dev. And you can find all the valuable resources like tutorials, like the softwares, like 3D models from my new website. Alright, that's all for today about my introduction of my 3D software pipeline tutorial collections and also the 3D models that created by me, the website. Always visit the freedom3d.art that I already share on my video description. the freedom 3D.art, and you can find the resources here. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. And you also can just come to my website here and just scroll down, subscribe to new 3D contents. You can type your emails here. For example, type your emails here, then click subscribe. Then you should be able to receive the email after I publish a new content. Every time I publish a new 3D contents, you receive the email notification as well. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.